Welcome to Research Rocks. It's me Sangram and today I am going to purchase iPhone 15 Pro Max 1TB storage here in Copenhagen, Denmark, and store name is a Power Store. As usual, I always purchase each and every electronic devices on Power Store. So in this video we will see detailed shopping route from my home to the Power Store. Last year also I am buying 14 Pro Max and that time I used public transportation, but today I have my own Tesla car, so I am so excited to purchase the new model. So let's start our journey. As usual, traffic.
With him in Power Store to record his video, and that's why he was so much insisting me to join while buying a new phone. I thought it is love.
I'm not insisting her. Mandatory to go with her because of she is my lifeline. आगे क्या कर रही कि नहीं ये तो इतनी बात.
But I understand it is because he needs someone to capture the video.
No need to. The left hand side Power Store is located on Glostrup in Copenhagen. Actually I already ordered this mobile and today is the time to pick. अच्छा यहाँ से नहीं आया ना?
आगे से ना.
अच्छा वहाँ पर बहुत ही छोटा है पावर तो ऐसे ही. My car is
देखता भी नहीं पीछे मुड़ के.
without ID then my phone. Like just I purchase blue color का. This is color I purchase. Finally I collect the phone from Power Store and now I am going to home, and next video come to unboxing and explain entire features of iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I am very excited to purchase blue titanium 15 Pro Max 1TB storage. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.